One complaint Craig and I always get is it takes too much time to make a healthy dinner and it costs too much to make healthy food, right? So here we're going to make a comparison. I'm gonna make homemade Chipotle. We just got back from the beach and we're all hungry. I'm gonna go in and make homemade Chipotle while Craig runs to Chipotle down the street and orders it and brings it back. And so we're gonna see who makes it faster and who makes it cheaper. What do you think?
So I did the map and it's 6 miles to the nearest Chipotle. So we're gonna drive there.
Yeah, in the mall community, I think.
And we're home. Let's compare the results.